This is part 3 of the 5 breakout chart examples video series. I don't know how many parts this will become, but I really wanted to use these 5 breakout chart examples to add as much value as I can through this video series to you so that it becomes an important part of your trading journey. This system becomes a part of your bloodstream because it is a very simple system, and people have been using this kind of system for decades. People like William O'Neill, Mark Minervini, David Ryan, they have looked at charts dating back to late 1800s, and they identified breakouts even at that time. Okay, so it's a very simple breakout trading system. There is no rocket science here. Everybody knows this system. But what I am trying to do is bring in more objectivity into the system. I am trying to make this system more granular so that our stock selection is not accurate, I would say, but very close to the stocks that we ideally should be spending time on doing our research. So in part one, we looked at how to analyze volume in a confirmed stage two uptrend. In part two, we looked at the three common factors that the breakout charts display: the blue, green, red, minimum 10 candles in the base, minimum 4 points in the base. In this video, part 3, I want to talk about the mother baby candle combination. Now, this mother baby candle combination is something that I created in my brain. It's not written in any book. It just came to me. Actually, it is inspired by a candle pattern explained in Steve Nissen's book, Japanese Candlestick Charting Techniques. I specialize in Japanese candlestick charting techniques. I have taken video courses from Steve Nissen. I have read his books. I have created courses in which I talk about my understanding of Japanese candlesticks. So there are 45 candle patterns, okay, which I learned from Steve Nissen. Out of those 45 candle patterns, there is one pattern called as the Harelmi pattern. The L is silent, so it is Haremi pattern. Let me write it here. So Haralmi, Harelmi pattern. Okay. This is, by the way, is given in Steve Nissen's book. It is all credit goes to Steve Nissen, and all credit goes to my mentors like David Ryan, William O'Neill. It is because of these mentors, these legends, that I am able to discuss what I'm discussing in these videos for you. So lots of gratitude to these people. So it is Harold Me, something like this. That's the name. Okay. If I, that's the pattern. Okay. So this represents, the word represents pregnant. Okay. The name, meaning of the word is pregnant in Japanese, as per my understanding. So in this pattern, what happens is there is one candle, and on the right side, there is another candle, which is inside the first candle. The high and low, the range of a candle, which is the high minus the low. The range of the next candle is inside the range of the previous candle. So have a look at these two candles. Okay. Let me expand the. So have a look at the range of this candle. Range means high minus low. Okay. Have a look at the range of this candle and have a look at the range of this candle. So the high of this candle is below the high of the previous candle, and the low of this candle is above the low of the previous candle. That is called as a mother baby candle combination. So this is the mother which is pregnant with this baby candle. Okay, that is how that pregnant word came along. Okay, so the Harami pattern is a different pattern. Okay, it's a reversal pattern, but the name was inspired from this pattern, which I kept for this. In Western technical analysis, when you convert this to a bar chart, these are called as inside bars. Okay, because the second candle is inside the first candle. Okay, that is why it is called as an inside bar. I just changed the name because I specialize in Japanese candlestick charting techniques. I know all the 45 candle patterns in detail. So I gave it a name called mother baby candle combination. So it's basically an inside bar. Now, what is the significance of this mother baby candle combination? Well, it represents tightness inside the base. Remember, the tighter the base on the right side, the lesser and lesser is the retail supply getting, and the lesser and lesser is the retail supply, the more powerful is likely to be the breakout. So, generally, it is observed that whenever there is an inside bar or a mother baby candle, the probability of breakout becomes very high. But the problem is we don't know whether it is going to be an upside breakout or a downside breakout. Okay. That is not predicted by the mother baby candle. Remember that important point. Just because there is a mother baby candle does not mean that the stock will break out on the upside. It could break out on the downside as well. The probability of a breakout is high, but the probability of upside breakout or downside breakout, that I cannot tell you. Okay. The breakout is imminent because that represents tightness inside the base. So now in a stage 2 uptrending confirmed uptrending stock, when you see a mother baby candle inside the base, that is where we could reasonably say that the probability of upside breakout here is more than the probability of a downside breakout because of the retail supply and the overhead supply dynamics, which we discussed in part 1 of this video. High volume rally, low volume consolidation, high volume breakout. So if you notice, in part 2, we identified 3 common factors: blue, green, red, 10 candles, 4 points. Now I will introduce you to another common factor, which is the mother baby candle. So this is the mother candle, this is the baby candle. The baby candle is inside the mother candle. Okay. You see mother baby candle, stock breaks out. Next chart. You see mother baby candle. See the high of this candle is below the high of this candle. The low of this candle is above the low of this candle. So the second candle is inside the first candle. It's like the mother is pregnant with that baby. Okay. So mother baby candle, stock breaks out. Previous chart, mother baby candle, stock breaks out. This chart, see, you see these two candles. Let me expand this. Okay. You see 1, 2. You see these two candles? Mother baby candle, the stock breaks out. See, the mother baby need not be exactly before the breakout candle. It could be 3, 4 candles or before the breakout. Look at the previous 4 or 5 candles. If there is a mother baby candle, you know there is tightness and something is likely to happen. That mother baby candle has potential energy stored. So breakout can happen on the upside or the downside. So see, mother baby candle, breakout happens. See these two candles, this just came before breakout. Mother baby candle, breakout happens. Correct? Next. See, there are two mother baby candle combinations here. This red and this green, that's the mother baby candle combination. And this green and this green, that is again a mother baby candle combination because the second candle is inside the first. So when you have two mother baby candle combination out of previous 5 candles just before the breakout candle, then the probability becomes even higher because it is getting even tighter on the right side. Okay. So on the right side, if there is a mother baby candle combination, the probability of upside breakout is high, but this was only applicable for a stage 2 confirmed uptrending stock, which has blue, green, red, 10 candles, 4 points. Okay. So in this video, you have learned the power of the mother baby candle, how the name came about, from which pattern was it inspired. The Haralmi pattern is the L is silent in that. So the Haralmi pattern is a reversal pattern. The inside bar or the mother baby is neither a reversal nor a continuation pattern. It is just a pattern. Okay. With reasonable probability of a breakout. So you understand. Now you have the fourth common factor to look for. But remember, mother baby candle is not mandatory. Okay, it's an optional criteria to look for. Blue, green, red, 10 candles, 4 points is non-negotiable. Mother baby candle is negotiable. So even if there is no mother baby candle combination, the stock could still break out if it has blue, green, red, 10 candles, 4 points. Okay. On top of that, if you are getting a mother baby candle combination on the right side, that is like the icing on the cake. So look out for these four things. I have observed these four things in majority of the breakouts that I have seen in my during my trading journey. Okay, so don't miss out on that optional. It's like an additional confirmation. Okay, it will help you in your trading journey. This is part three, in which I really wanted to go deep into the mother baby candle combination. In part number four, I want to discuss the green zone and the blue zone and the its relation to the closing price and the yellow line. Remember, the yellow line is the buy price. Okay, and we will look at all these 5 chart examples from that lens. Where is the yellow line, in which zone? Where is the closing price, in which zone? Okay, we will look at that in part number 4.